Amazon Flex warehouses don't all pay or dispatch the same way, and the ones with higher package volume usually release more consistent blocks throughout the day. By the end, you'll understand what actually makes a warehouse good, how to identify high-volume stations, and what patterns usually lead to more reliable block availability. Start with how warehouses actually work. Amazon Flex warehouses, also called stations, are fulfillment hubs where delivery blocks are created and assigned to drivers. Each station handles different delivery zones and order volumes. That difference is what creates good and bad warehouse experiences. Now look at the biggest factor: volume. High-volume warehouses process more packages per day. That usually means more delivery blocks are created to move inventory faster. Low-volume stations tend to release fewer blocks, which makes scheduling more inconsistent. Now look at location density. Warehouses closer to dense suburban or urban areas usually have more frequent demand. That demand leads to more routes being generated across the day. Rural or low-density stations often have fewer consistent block drops. Now look at timing patterns. Block availability often increases around peak shopping periods when package volume spikes. That includes busy shipping days and high order periods. Stations with steady daily demand usually show more predictable block release times. Now look at competition. Some warehouses have more drivers competing for the same number of blocks. That reduces how long blocks stay available before they are taken. Even good warehouses can feel slow if too many drivers are targeting them. Now look at route types. Different warehouses produce different delivery routes, such as short local runs or longer distance routes. Stations with more consistent route structure tend to feel more reliable for drivers. Unpredictable route mix can make earnings feel less stable. Now here's what most people miss. Drivers often focus on finding one perfect warehouse instead of understanding patterns across multiple stations. In reality, the best results usually come from tracking which locations consistently show frequent block drops over time. That pattern matters more than any single warehouse reputation. Now, the simple breakdown. The best Amazon Flex warehouses are the ones with high package volume, consistent route creation, and lower competition for blocks. Those three factors together determine how often you actually see work available. Now the takeaway. There is no permanently best warehouse for everyone. Performance changes based on demand, competition, and timing. The real advantage comes from identifying stations that stay active across multiple days, not just one good session. Next step. Track 3 nearby warehouses for 1 week, and write down when blocks appear. Then focus only on the locations that show consistent availability patterns. Subscribe for more clear breakdowns of gig apps, delivery systems, and real-world earning strategies without confusion or hype.